have reached Magdum Shah Baba Dargah. I've reached Magdum Shah Baba's Dargah. I walked from Bandra Reclamation to. How are you all? Fine? And I prayed for all of you, your well-being. May this pandemic, these are the beggars, may this pandemic go away. This is the most beautiful place. These are the beggars waiting for everything shut over here. There's police outside. Oh Baba! Oh Baba! कैसे
मैं तुमको इसलिए पूछ रहा था,
क्या
मैं
बोल रहे
आपके घर जाने वाले थे देखने के लिए।
अरे मेरा ऑपरेशन हो गया ना
हाँ,
हार्ट का।
मैं आपको घर पता चला तो मैं आपको घर जाने वाला था देखने के
तो अभी
लिए।
आप मुल्क नहीं गए?
जी,
आप मुल्क नहीं गए?
लॉकडाउन में मैं वहीं था परेशान।
अच्छा,
हाँ, तो
क्या हुआ?
आपकी जब लॉकडाउन खत्म हुआ तब मैं यहाँ आया हूँ।
कब आए?
मैं हमको हो गए 4 महीना आए हुए।
और रह रहे कहाँ हो अभी?
मैं वहीं बांद्रा में रहता हूँ।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
पंखे वाले बाबा।
हाँ, पंखे वाले बाबा,
दिस
खिदमत गुजार, गरीब नवाज। पंखा लाऊं क्या? अपने पंखा लाऊं? पंखा लाऊं?
This is पंखे
पंखे ले आऊं?
This is पंखे वाले बाबा. I've been meeting him all over the Sufi destinations I go. He does a great job. He's one of the most beautiful human beings I've ever met. Thank you. God bless you.
जिला बाराबंकी।
हाँ,
पंखा ले आऊं पहले अपना?
हाँ ले आओ. The beauty of Ramzan and the poor.
They are serving the food.
Yeah, I know. I'm from here. I'm a Khalifa.
Okay, you are Khalifa.
Madariya Silsila.
Madaria.
Yeah, Madariya.
From which country?
Huh? I'm from Bandra. Bandra.
तो मुझे पता चला आप बीमार हैं। तो मुझे मैं जिला बाराबंकी रहने वाला हूँ।
हाँ,
जिला मानवाड़ी,
हाँ.
थाना कुर्सी,
इधर आ जाओ.
तहसील फतेहपुर।
हाँ. और
मेरा
बोलो.
पीर मोहम्मद इदरीसी।
अच्छा,
मैं पंखे खिदमत करता हूँ, बाबा मकबूल की चौखट पे रहता हूँ। मैं किसी से मांगता नहीं हूँ, अपने खुशी जो लेते हैं मैं ले लेता हूँ।
और मेरी आपकी पुरानी दोस्ती है.
अब मैं तो आपको बहुत पुरानी दोस्ती है। गरीब नवाज में भी मिलता हूँ, यहाँ भी मिलता हूँ,
दमदार बेड़ा
हर
पार.
जगह मिलता हूँ।
दमदार बेड़ा पार.
अस्सलाम।
So these are the world of Sufism.
मैं बस सबको दुआ देता हूँ बस।
It's not the same. Walking from Bandra to Mahim Dargah. And this is the Mahim seafront. These are the cane weavers. अच्छे से नहलाओ, अच्छे से नहलाओ. These are the cane weavers of Mahim. They make baskets. The fishermen are not going. This is the fishing village of Mahim. Like a parking lot. You find a lot of useless people, drug addicts on this road. You can't. This is Mahim Causeway. Mahim Causeway. This is the road that leads to St. Michael's Church and Dargah of Maghdum Shah Baba. I'm going to meet my friend Saqib. He was met with an accident. I have not been able to meet him, nor has he been able to meet me. How are you? So, this is Mahim. This is being shot during the lockdown. So you see all these guys, rat pickers, and drug addicts, all on this stretch. There at the back is the ceiling. I used to come here during the Mariamman feast of Machhibar. They used to do the cheek piercing on the beach from the Mariamman temple at fishing village, Mahim Koliwada. That is the custom building. Normally during the Urus of Maghdum Shah Baba, I used to walk bare feet from Mahim Dargah back to Bandra. So I couldn't get a cab, it was impossible to get a bus. And now, this is my second trip to Mahim. The last I took the trip after the lockdown when I went to meet Dr. Manoj Chadda, my endocrinologist, diabetologist at Hinduja Hospital, a great human being, has taken good care of me. I'm using the R insulin thrice a day. A lot of improvement to and I'm walking a lot. And what makes my wife wonder that how I had to go through a bypass surgery when I used to walk so much. I walked from Delhi to Ajmer, 550 kilometers. I used to walk from Bandra to Versova Gaon. And yet I had 4 blockages. And thanks to Mr. Zahid Khan of Sabiman, I was operated at Lifeline. I was operated at Lifeline. of Dr. Kamlesh Shah. I was totally broke at that time. So it was done free, though I had to pay for the peripherals, the blood and everything. But anyway, that right at the end you can see the Mahim's church. They used to have the most famous Wednesday Novena. Today even the gods have gone silent. All the gods collectively have gone silent. And the only gods, temples, mosques working round the clock to help humanity are the hospitals. The health warriors, the doctors, the nurses, the ward boys and everybody. I was telling somebody that what happens to the workers in the crematorium working round the clock disposing of bodies? Will they be vaccinated? And the poor don't have a mobile phone where the online registration is mandatory. What happens to them? There are so many things that are left unanswered. And I'm not into politics. I feel sorry for the people that have passed away. That is St. Michael's Church. So, thank you all. The seashore connecting Bandra with Mahim. And I'm walking from Bandra Reclamation to Mahim Dargah to pray for the well-being of everyone affected by this pandemic. People are dying. Some deaths are recognized and some deaths are just unknown names, unknown faces, unknown. I should pray for all of them. Thank you. This is outside Nargis Dutt Nagar, Bandra. And everywhere you go, you'll see the siren. I mean, you'll hear the siren of an ambulance. Good evening, friends. Hope you all safe, happy, and take care of yourselves. I am at Bandstand. The Mumbai police are doing a great job. They've really kept the crowds out. I salute them. And I salute our dynamic Commissioner of Police, Mr. Hemant Nagrale. He's the first commissioner in my 65 years that has talked about adding compassion to the lives of the Mumbai police in treating human folks, people, normal people. And this is something really positive. And that is why I love Mumbai police. I always keep in my videos, I always talk about them. Because it is not easy to police a stretch like this. This is a place, if you came in the evening, it would have been totally packed. Absolutely packed. But there's nothing. Now what they have done, they have a Nakabandi over there. See, at the end, there you can see the police. They're stopping cars from coming on this lane. And just across is Shah Rukh Khan's house. You can see it. Mannat. And this is I Love Mumbai. And there's a police marshals moving around. But the pitiable condition of stray dogs, this is their life. There's nobody to feed them. This is bandstand. I started my walk at 5 p.m. from Bandra, my house, to Bandra Reclamation, to Rebello Road, Sebastian Road, and then I came to Good Luck. They have a parcel delivery counter. And from there I walked up to Mount Mary Steps, shot a live video Instagram. And now, then I went to Mount Mary, then I went to Baba Jafar's Dargah, showed the people about the Dargah, give them the feel of the Dargah. It's a very beautiful Dargah on Mount Mary, on Kane Road, next to Cliff Subhash Ghai's building. And that is Barista. That is Barista. They have a counter. See this. And this road leads straight towards Gately Galaxy. I mean to Galaxy, sorry. Galaxy. It leads to Galaxy where Mr. Salman Khan stays. This is Jivesh Terraces. You see a few kids on the promenade. These are the children of the family that live on the slums called Ganesh Nagar. See this. Hey! 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 Hey, idhar aa! Hey! There is no car on this road at all. You see, this is Bandstand, the most crowded place in Bandra. It is where people come to walk, to bond. And the famous rocks of Bandstand where lovers meet. But everything is absolutely quiet, silent over here. I have walked from Bandra Bazaar to Bandra Talao. From Bandra Talao, I walked to Linking Road. From Linking Road, I walked to Khar. And from Khar, I took from Caesar's Palace, I took a left past 14 Road, 15, 16, 17, 21st. And I have reached Khardanda. I have passed Danpada, where I used to stay before the riots, Hindu-Muslim riots, 93. I was staying in Tilekar's house near Fomanwadi. And this is Khardanda. It's a Kuli village. And from here, I'll try. My legs are hurting like mad. But I'll try. This is Khardanda. Khardanda, fishing village. It's like So there, most of the Kohlis live here. It's a very famous place in in Khar. This is Khar Danda. कैसा काय बरं आहे? My coach Surendra Pawar ji stays in Khardanda. This is Khardanda. This building is actually Dev Sagar. I said United Builders by mistake, so I rectified. The builder was Mr. Devendra Ghai. I did his wedding clothes at Bada Sahab many years back, late 80s. It's absolutely quiet. I have never seen Kato Road like this. Never. A lot of cyclists. But I have not spotted any walker or a jogger. There are some guys walking inside. This is Starlit building. My friend Kaleem Khan used to stay in this building years back. Police. Wow. The college is Oceanic. Very famous building. कैसे हैं साहब? कैसे आप? You all are doing a very good job. Keep it up. मैंने कभी कार्टर रोड को खाली नहीं देखा है. नहीं सही है. The Mumbai police is doing a fantastic job of controlling the crowds. I am really proud, and these are people who are really in khaki, who are really helping us, and they are human also. I mean, they could lose their temper if you. It happens to all of us, but they are so cool. And our new Commissioner of Police, Mr. Hemant Nagrale, has given such a beautiful advice to them to be polite, to be human. This is something I don't think any commissioner in the past has ever done. I'm really proud of you, sir. And you are the only police department that I have the number on my mobile phone. You all are amazing people, the Mumbai police. Really, really great. And I'm very close to the Mumbai police because the officers of Advocate Ashish Shelar in my building, they are very good. And all of them. Even yesterday I met the police at Bandstand, and they are having a tough time. Because the crowds, the people, how many people can you... There are 4 or 5 of them on one end, And there are so many now there's an opening here, anybody can walk in. But still, but another thing I must tell you, the Mumbai crowd, the Mumbai people, they are very, very good. You don't see this. They are respecting the lockdown. And this is what I like to tell you all, that you have to stay indoor. I am coming here because of my health. It is deteriorating because my sugar has been shooting up. My tennis has stopped, as I explained to you all earlier. I have kidney problem also. But as I said, our doctors, our health personnel, frontline warriors, all of them have done a fabulous job. And I think, I'm not a political guy at all, but I think all political parties should come together to fight this common enemy instead of bitching about each other, and instead of, Twitter has got so much of venom. I think Mr. Jack, he enjoys all this. There's so much of hate. There's no humanity. I'm on Twitter since 2008, and I respect Twitter terms, guidelines, everything. I don't talk about politics. And in my 65 years or more, I've never joined a political party at all, whether Congress, BJP, Samajwadi Party, Shiv Sena, no. I have remained independent. अभी आप ही लोगों के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ मैं आप ही लोगों के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ कि जो आप कर रहे हो ना, वो बेमिसाल है. क्योंकि इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट, आई टेल यू, यू आर अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. और आपसे एक और बात कहूँगा, आपके जो कमिश्नर हेमंत नगराले साहब है, ये पहला कमिश्नर है लाइफ में जिससे पुलिस वालों को बोला है कि ज़रा बी काम, बी पोलाइट, डोंट बी लाइक तमिलनाडु पुलिस और दिल्ली पुलिस. सो आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू ऑल. आई एम अ मुंबईकर एंड मी हार्ट पेशेंट आहे, बट I am also a photojournalist. So I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And be safe, sir. This is the Mumbai police. The Mumbai police is an amazing body, entity that has done a lot for us. And it's not easy. Can impose a lockdown, but to execute it takes a lot of time. And this is what I'm trying to show you through my videos. So this is, I'm still far away from Danda. This is all quiet. There's Children's Park, and you can see nothing. I'm at Carter Road. I can walk inside, but I don't want to. I don't want to get into there's something I'd really like to shoot now. There's a gentleman feeding crows and dogs over there. So this is the lockdown in Mumbai. This is Bandra, the seafront. Emergency response, mobile surveillance, control, command center. I'm walking outside. Keep up the good job. I said keep up the good job. They need to be fed. He's feeding the dogs, stray dogs. And the crows are also asking for some. This is it, And I tell you once more, please feed stray animals, cats, dogs. They really need your help. A human being can do anything. He can beg. But what does the dog, cat do? So please, feed animals. And there's one thing I learned. Again, I would like to say that initially I was a photographer, then I became a blogger. And once I became a blogger, I learned a very important lesson in life, and that was called moderation. I was young at that time, but I learned one thing: not to post anything that hurts any religion, community, ethnicity, or gender. And that has helped me all this while. And now that I am a YouTuber, I take care that I don't include any frame of a child if he's naked or something, or anything that can be misinterpreted. And I have been following YouTube guidelines, and I'm not political, I don't comment on politics, but I do shoot politics when elections take place. And that series is called Dance of Democracy. So I have shot the earlier elections, Baba Siddiqui, Mr. Eber Khan, Ashish Shelar ji. I've shot all that. And I'm walking now on Carter Road. I did not go to Bandstand. I already shot it yesterday. But you guys in the house, at home, you all should see what I'm trying to show you. The importance of the lockdown. You have to stay indoors. I need to walk because of my sugar problem, and I have a press card. So there's the lady inside the thing. This is Carter Road. One thing I learned: never to break laws, not to go against the laws, to follow the laws strictly, because as a photographer, videographer, documentarist, it's very important to follow the guidelines and not to take the law in my hand. And I must tell you now, I'm dressed normally, no turbans, no Sufi caps, none of those things, because I've stopped wearing it. In Bandra it is okay, on Hill Road or something. While I was playing tennis, I would wear my turban or my Sufi bag, but not anymore. This is the Pali Hill Colony, Western Railway. I had a doctor friend over here, Dr. Rajesh. We lost touch. And this building you see across, I did the owner's wedding dress. He was Mr. Devendra Ghai, United Builders or something. And this building is like this for last maybe 25 years or more. I used to work at Bada Saab those days as a designer. My feet hurt because I started my walk at about 5:30 p.m. Now I'll walk up till the end of Khardanda. So this is Carter Road. Absolutely no walkers, no joggers. I think I will I need to sit down somewhere. My legs are hurting like mad. Thank you. These are people waiting for food outside Apostolic Common. ये चालू नहीं हुआ क्या?
नहीं सर
कितने बजे चालू होता है?
6 बजे।
6:45।
क्या बात है?
क्या हुआ भाई? What time this starts? कितने बजे चालू होता है? 6 बजे. It starts at 6 o'clock. So all the poor people, the hungry, they all come here at this gate number 1. This is Mount Mary during the pandemic. This is the first time after many months, rather after my bypass surgery, which has been almost 4 months, I'm come to Mount Mary to pay my respect to the Holy Mother. I walked over 4 kilometers from my home. This is Mount Mary. And everybody's praying for the pandemic to go, for the virus to recede back to China, Wuhan, from where it came. What's your name?
Rocky.
This is my favorite friend Rocky and his pet dog. What's your dog's name?
Rocky.
His name Rocky. And yours?
Kumar.
Kumar. Arey, you look like a Kumar only. I also have a friend like Kumar. But he is amazing. How old is he? कितना साल का है? 6. Very good. Just one. Okay. Thanks a lot. Huh? So this is Rocky. From Bandra Bandstand, where I stay, I walk to Baroda Road. From Baroda Road to Bandstand, shot 1 or 2 videos, and now I'm walking up Kane Road. It's a steep incline. I have to take it easy because I've had a bypass surgery. But it's amazing. There are a lot of people walking on this road. I wish I could show it to you. This is Kane Road. At the back is Bandstand. You can see. And I'm going after many months to Mount Mary to pay my tribute to Mother Mary. Mount Mary too has been part of my photography, part of my documentation on Christianity, East Indians and crosses of Bandra. I'm tired, really tired. जय राम जी की सब ठीक है? ये देखो, इधर अंदर आइए, थोड़ा अंदर आइए। सब ठीक है? आवाज़ ठीक है? हाँ। For a very long time I have walked so much. What is happening actually? पहचाना नहीं? So this is bandstand, and if you see, there are people on the rocks, maybe fishermen, I'm not sure, but I'm shooting from outside. This is bandstand, come here after a very, very long time. They never shoot flowers, I don't know why. The greatest problem during this lockdown are hungry dogs, hungry stray animals. Really sad. This is
वॉकिंग रनिंग कोई भी अलाउड नहीं है, जीरो बाहर निकलो, जीरो बराबर। यहाँ पे लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, आप अपने अपने घर में।
cycling, jogging, walking is not allowed. But then, what do people like us do? Heart patients, we have to walk. ओ मैडम मत जाइए, पुलिस उधर अलाउड नहीं है, बिला वजह लेके जाएंगे आपको अंदर। So this is it, you know. A lot of people don't know that they're not allowed to walk at bandstand, but then there are this is entry points over here. I as a photographer, I'm not entering inside. I mean, I have a press card. I don't get into pangas with police. I respect the police. They're doing their job and we have to do our job. So these are hungry dogs of bandstand. So I have walked from my house at Bandra Bazaar.
अगर वो नहीं करते मुझे पसंद है शादी का मैं एग्रीमेंट के वजह से अभी कैसा आप ड्यूटी करो इसको भी बुरा लगे
This is Bandra Bandstand. There are cops at the end. There was a couple walking inside. I stopped them. But one thing I'm sure that couples in Mumbai are much polite and very dignified as compared to the ones in Delhi, UPSC. I mean, it's shocking. And people think Mumbai is bad. I think Mumbai is fabulous. It's one of the most beautiful places in India or in the world, I would rather say. I've been to Vancouver, I've been to Mauritius, I've been to Muscat, I've been to Singapore, I've been to a lot of places, Nepal. But I always came back to Mumbai because I don't think Mumbai is something that grows. My parents were migrants from Lucknow, but then they give the biggest sacrifice. They are now lying in Mumbai, in the soil of Mumbai, at the Shia Rahmatabad cemetery. What more can be bigger than that? They made us what we are. 7 of us. My brother used to call us the United Seven. So, my sister Najma, my brother Shakil, my other brother Zahir, and my 2 other sisters Rehana, Farzana. We make up the 7. And then there is Firdaus in Birmingham, the youngest one, married to Shivani. He has a son called Shayan. So this is it. Now I have already been vaccinated. I took both the shots, Covishield at Bandra Bhabha Hospital. Very good place, nice doctors, nice nurses, nice ward boys. They were very, very helpful. And the moment they saw me wearing this chest pad, this for the bypass, and I'd carried my file, bypass file, they immediately did not make me stand in a line, took me to the doctor, had me checked. So I'm really grateful. I love Mumbai. I've been living here for 65. I'm 65 plus. I've been living here for I don't know how long. I must have been 3 years old when I came to Mumbai from Lucknow. And another thing I must tell you, my parents were living in a slum at Kurla. So we have come a long way like Virginia Slims. My father was a tailor. And from there he shifted to From Kurla, he shifted to Woodhouse Road. We were tenants of Nawab Kashmiri. And then after that, the new landlord gave us a place to stay for a few months at Neelam Beach Candy. And then finally, my father brought us back to what he called Stand Cinema Colaba. And now there is a Nakabandi. Now I think the cops will talk to me. So I shall end this video here. Thank you all. Take care. Be safe. Wear a mask. Get vaccinated. This is St. Andrew's Church, Bandra. My oldest connection in Bandra with this church. It's a story I must tell. Many years back, I was staying in Colaba, and one of my moral science teachers was Father Stephen Nazareth. He had shifted to this St. Andrew Church, And this is a few years back. I had a problem with my dad. I stolen some bananas from a neighboring garden. So my father hit me, broke my nose. And I decided to run away. I don't know how I managed from Kolaba to come to Bandra. I must have been 15, 16 years old or less, I think. When I came to Bandra, I came to this church and I met Father Stephen Nazareth. I told him that I had left my house and if he could help me. He looked at me, he fed me, then he gave me money and he dropped me at Bandra station and he said, no, go back to your parents. And that message he sent to me has changed my life. And that is why, if you see, I have documented Christianity, I have documented East Indian ethos, I have documented crosses, I have documented the Jesuits. I have been very close. And this church, after Father Stephen Nazareth, was Father Peter Drago, late Father Peter Drago. He was very kind to me, very good to me. So now outside the church, lockdown, pandemic, I'm shooting this video and reliving those memories. And this lady, I know her for I don't know how many years. She's one of the most beautiful Marathi Manus I've ever met. She does more for Jesus Christ and the church than anybody else does. She offers floral tribute. I love her as a sister. As a sister, I love her so much because I've seen her for the last 20-25 years. She has not changed and she respects me a lot. So this is, and just across the church is Yacht. This was the place when I was an alcoholic. I used to come and drink. Every morning, 7 in the morning, I used to come. 5, and Qasim used to give me booze. My father died, I was drinking. I mean, that was a terrible time of my life. So I have never forgotten Yacht. This is the place, if I had kept on drinking, I would have rot. I would rot rather. This is Yacht. Never forget it.